Welcome to the Trading Mindset channel, where we provide valuable insights into the world of Forex trading. In this video, we will be discussing Forex trading for beginners. We will take you through the basics of what Forex trading is, how it works, and what you need to get started. Let's start with what is Forex trading? Forex, or foreign exchange, trading is the process of buying and selling currencies with the aim of making a profit. Currencies are always traded in pairs, for example, the euro and the US dollar. The exchange rate between the two currencies determines how much of one currency you can buy with the other. The goal of forex trading is to buy low and sell high, or sell high and buy low, depending on the market conditions. How does forex trading work? Forex trading is conducted over the counter, which means that it's decentralized and takes place via a network of banks and financial institutions. There is no central exchange where all trades are processed. Instead, traders use trading platforms to access the market and execute trades. These platforms can be accessed from your computer, tablet, or smartphone. What do you need to start trading Forex? To start trading Forex, you'll need a few things. First and foremost, you'll need a reliable internet connection and a device to access the trading platform. You'll also need a Forex broker, who will act as an intermediary between you and the market. There are many Forex brokers to choose from, so it's important to do your research and choose one that is regulated and trustworthy. You can create account on Octafex because Octafex have lowest spread and higher trust rate. Link available in description. You'll also need to understand the basics of technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis involves using charts and other tools to identify patterns and trends in the market, while fundamental analysis involves analyzing economic data and news events that may affect the currency pair you're trading. You can visit our channel to watch videos on these topics. In summary, Forex trading can be a lucrative and exciting way to make money. However, it's important to understand the risks involved and to have a solid understanding of the market before you start trading. We hope this beginner's guide has been helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Forex trading tips and strategies. Also, if you're interested in receiving free Forex signals, be sure to join our Telegram channel by clicking on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!